With this video tutorial, I want to show you how to create a digital terrain model out of a complex point cloud that we have acquired using our HERON backpack. What you can see here is the trajectory that we have followed inside a complex forest. Here there's the blueprint, and on the top you can see the 3D point cloud, complex 3D point cloud. If I close this navigation, I can show you how this point cloud looks like. And what I want to show you is how to create the surface model behind the trees. To do that, I can use the new tool that we added in the mining toolbar that is called Dem Point. If I press Dem Point, a recipe window is opened where I can introduce the point cloud that I want to sample. It's good to define the region where I want to define my DTM. So I've got this blue polyline that I predefine and that I want to drag and drop here and use as contour for my point selection. Then I have to set the grid spacing, so the distance between one point and another according to a regular grid. In this case, to be fast, I took a point every 10 meters, but I can be much more resolute. And then there's the sampling method. What I want to do is to select the lowest point, so the point that touch the ground. I can also edit the sampling area radius, so the searching area around each single point to have the best statistic to select my point. When I'm ready, I can press compute. The sampling of the point starts. At the end of the process, I have three options. One is to export, to save an orthophoto with depth information. Another option is to select to extract single list of point. But what I want to use now is to create a point cloud, so a organized point cloud. I can give a name to this point cloud, DTM1. And inside my point cloud now, I've got in my point cloud group, I've got the DTM1. I want to show you a more resolute point cloud that I extract before. So if I load this point cloud and I turn off my original complex point cloud, you can see what we have automatically extracted with a new DEM points command. So the points on the ground. If I want to create a surface model out of that, it's very easy. I can take my point cloud, I can go under Dem, under Mesh. You select the multi-resolution mesh. And here you want to triangulate each point without sampling. I can choose a different color. And I can create my mesh model. Here is my mesh model under complex forest.